Welcome back, students of 6th class. I am Asif, your mathematics teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. So, my dear friends, my dear students, in this video session, we will solve 2 or 3 questions from exercise 6A. This is chapter 6, simplification. So as you have already learned about the word like VBODMAS, V board mass. Okay, V is extra letter that is added over here. So V means vinculum, means bar, vinculum, VINCULUM. Okay, and you know friends about B for brackets. There are here the 3 types of brackets over here. This is the small bracket, this is curly bracket, and this is big bracket. Okay, this bracket B for this. Now D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and then S for subtraction. So we will work here as follow. Here first V, but there is no bar in this question, so B is eliminated. B should be eliminated. Okay, now this is B for yes, brackets. So here is the 3 types of brackets. So first we have to work, this is a small bracket, then curly, then big bracket. Okay, then come to off. Here is no OF, so this should be erased. Then come to division, then come to multiplication, addition and subtraction. So friends, have a look. We have taken question number 13 from exercise 6A. This is the first one, 5 by 6. This is the mixed fraction. First we have to change into improper fraction. Then why? We have to multiply this 6 multiplied by 1, 6 1 is 6, then add it to 5, 11 divided by 6 as it is. Now this is 5 as plus as it is. Now change this mixed fraction into improper. 6 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3. Okay, now this is the minus. Now write the curly bracket as it is. Now once again see, 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 divided by this is 4. Now here is the close bracket. Now next 5 3 ja 15 plus 4 19, 19 divided by 5. Okay, divide as it is. 9 2 ja 18 plus 1 19, 19 divided by 2. Close bracket, small, this is the whole curly bracket, the whole big bracket. Now friends, here is the, have a look, here is the small bracket. First we have to come over here, then solve inside this bracket, then come to curly, then big bracket. Okay, now this is as it is, right as it is. Okay, as it is also as it is. So now solve. First take the LCM of 5 and 2. Here is the 10 LCM. Divide this 10, divides this 10 by 5. 2 multiply by 19. 19 2 ja, no sorry. I think I suppose this is plus. Now this is 19 by 5. Okay, I'm so sorry. Write this fraction as it is. Now change this operation as multiplication. Then we have to write the reciprocal of this, and the reciprocal of this is 2 by 19. I hope you will be clear. Okay, the curly bracket and the close with the big bracket. 19 1 ja 19, 19 1 ja 19 will get cancelled. Okay, now see friends, 11 by 6 as it is, plus curly big bracket as it is, 8 by 3 as it is, minus curly bracket 15 by 4 as it is. Now friends, here is the brackets. We have to remove the brackets. Why? Because we have already done the question inside this bracket. This is why we have to erase this bracket. Now bracket means multiply. Here the multiply. Now this is 2 1 ja 2, up and downward this is 5. Okay, now the close with the curly bracket. Here is the big bracket. I hope you are getting. Very good friends. Now see friends, 11 by 6 as it is. Here is the plus, write down the plus sign, big bracket. 8 by 3 as it is. Here 8 by 3 as it, this is minus as it is. Now inside the curly bracket, this is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So here is the minus curly bracket. Write down, this is 3 1 ja 3. Here is the 2 1 ja 2, means downward. The close with big bracket. 11 by 6 as it is. Now this is 8 by 3 as it is, minus. Now remove this curly bracket, close with the big bracket. Now come to the big bracket. Then friends, take the LCM of 3 and 2. This is 6 LCM, close with the curly bracket, big bracket. 6 LCM. Now divide this 6 by 3, 2 multiply by 8, 8 to just 16. Very good. This is minus. Now this 6 is divided by 2, 3 multiply by 9, 3 3 9. Very good. Now this is 11 by 6 as it is. Here is the plus. Now remove this big bracket because we have already solved inside the material of this bracket. Now this is 16 minus 9. Yes, this is 7 by 6. Okay, now take the LCM of here. Have a look, friends, and all these two fractions are, yes, like fractions. If you remember, where there is like fraction, and in order to add the like fraction means write the single denominator and write as it is your numerators. As it is, numerator should be as it is. Okay, now 11 plus 7, this is 18, and divided by 6. If you recite the table of 6 3 times, 6 3 times means 6 multiplied by 6 3 ja 6 3 ja 6 3 ja, yes, 18. So the answer is, friends, 18. I hope you will understand. Now next, now see friends, question number 15. 7.5 minus big bracket 2 and 1 by 4 divided by curly bracket 1 and 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, a small bracket 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 whole. Now see friends, here is the word, here is the bar. This is vinculum, this is bar, and this is V4 means bar or vin, culum, culum. Okay, this is symbol. And before brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, and big bracket. O for off, but there is no off, we it cancelled. Okay, now this question consisting of V, B, division, yes, multiplication is yes, because there is bracket means multiplication, addition is yes, and subtraction. Now see friends, first we have to work for this. Come here, then we will come first here, then sort out this problem. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Now see friends, here is the as it is. Write the solution first. Solution as change this mixed fraction into improper first. Now we have to change, it means we have to multiply 7 by 2. 7 by 7 2 ja 14 plus 1 15. 15 by here 15 by yes 2. Okay, minus as it is, right? Now 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Okay, this is division as it is. Write the curly bracket. 4 1 ja 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Okay, now next minus 1 by 2, a small bracket. This is 3 by 2 as it is, minus. Now take the LCM of 3 and 6, because first we have to work for this bar V. Now this is 18, sorry 6 is the LCM. Close bracket, then curly bracket, then big bracket. Now take the LCM of 3 and 6 is the LCM. Now divide this 6 by 3, 2 multiply 1, 2 1 ja 2. Very good, minus. Now 6 is divided by this 6, 1 multiply by 1, 1 1 ja 1. Okay, now this is as it is. 15 by 2 as it is, minus big bracket 9 by 4 as it is, divide as it is, curly bracket as it is, 5 by 4 as it is, minus half, a small bracket as it is, 3 by 2 as it is, minus 1 by 6. Why friends? Because 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 6 as it is and as it is. Now this is, now then we will work for this small bracket, because after V we will get B. Before brackets means including 3 brackets, a small, curly and big. Now this is 15 by 2 as it is, minus bracket as it is, 9 by 4 as it is, divide as it is, curly bracket as it is, 5 by 4 as it is, minus 1 by 2 as it is. Now Take the LCM of, first take the LCM of 2 and 6. 6 is the LCM. Okay, close. 6 is LCM. Divide this 6 by 2. 3. 3 multiply by 3. 3 3 is 9. This is minus minus. And this 6 is divided by this 6. Yes, 1. 1 multiply by 1. This is here 1. Okay. Now friends, see friends, erase the first two line. There is no more space downwards. Okay, this is why we have to erase. We're going to, now this is, look at the friends here, have a look. This is 15 by 2 as it is. Okay, minus minus, big bracket, 9 by 4 as it is, divide as it is. Now this is as it is, 5 by 4 is as it is. Now this is minus 1 by 2 as it is. Now here friends, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 as it is. Now this is multiply, because here is the bracket means multiply. 8 by 6. Okay friends, now see, 9 minus 1, 8 divided by 6. This is half, here is half, bracket means multiply. Okay, here is the 8 by 6. Now this is friends, this is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja is 3. Now friends, 15 divided by 2 as it is. Here is the minus, bracket 9 by 4 as it is, divided by curly bracket 5 by 4 as it is, minus, sorry, divide, minus, this is 2, up is only 2 and downwards is here 3. Close with the curly bracket and whole close with the big brackets. Now friends, see, 15 by 2 as it is. Okay, minus 9 by 4 as it is. This is divide. Now take the LCM of, take first write the bracket, close with the big bracket. Take the LCM 4 and 3. 12 is the LCM. Now divide this 12 by 4. 3 3 multiply by 5. 5 3 is 15. So here is minus minus. Then this 12 is divided by 3. 4 4 multiply by 2. 8. This is friends 15 by 2 as it is. I hope you are getting. 9 by 4. Very simple question, but it is long. It doesn't matter. Clear the concept. Here is the division. Now 15 minus say 8. Yes, 7. 7 divided by 12 friends. Okay. This is close with the, we have to remove this bracket, curly bracket, and close with the big bracket. Now friends, see, have a look. This is 15 by 5 as it is. Now here is the minus, minus as it is. This is, yes, big bracket, 9 by 4. Remember friends, if we change the division as multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of 7 by 2, means 12 by, sorry, write the reciprocal of 7 by 12, becomes 12 by 7. Close with the big bracket. Now friends, see, this is 15 by 2 minus. So 9 multiply by 12. 9 multiply by 12 becomes, now see friends, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, 9 3 ja 27, divided by, here is the 7 1 ja 7. Now take the LCM of 2 and 7. This is 14 LCM. Divide 14 by 2. This is 7. So now 15 multiply by 7. 105. Here is the minus. Write the minus. Now divide this 14 by 7. 2 multiply by 27. 54. Okay. Now subtract. This is 105, 54. This is 51. 51 divided by, now see friends, divide 51 by 14. Here 51 is here, 14 3 ja 2, 42. Now subtract, this is 9. Okay, I hope you are getting. This could be written as mixed fraction 14 as it is 14, up is, here is the 9 upwards, and this is 3. So this is your answer. I hope you will Understand? Now your homework, friends. Question number, you have to solve question number 12, 13, 14 and 16. All these questions are the similar as question number 13 and 15, and we have already solved question number 13 and 14. So please solve. Your homework is question number 12 to 15. Okay, have a nice day.